Welcome to Planet Funhouse, and we're here in Naperville, and we're gonna check out this bell tower.
Yeah.
So come along and let's check it out. Let's do it. It's cool.
Consists of the 10 largest bells in the tower, and they make up about 85% of the total weight of the instrument. This is definitely the driving force here. The largest bell closest to you is named Big Joe. That's after Captain Joseph Napier, founded Naperville. That weighs about 6 tons and is valued at almost $1 million. Just like all the other bells, there's 2 ways to play it. They're the clappers and the hammers. The clappers are the giant spears in the middle, and those are connected to a string, which goes all the way up into a room called the cabin, where they're connected to an instrument called the clavier. And that's played manually, really only 2 to 3 times a week when somebody comes up and plays the instrument. And those people are called carillonneurs.
Let's go.
So, this is the cabin. This is where the actual cabin. Like I said, it's very similar to a piano. Each peg you see here corresponds with one of the bells. There's 72 notes for the 72 bells. Spans a full 6 octaves, which makes it part of the Grand Carillon categorization. There are only 9 of those in the world. 4 of them are in the U.S. There's this one here, one in the University of Chicago, and another one in Michigan, and the other one is in New York. And I said this earlier, the people playing with carillonneurs. We have 6 of them on staff who play Saturdays at 12 o'clock and Sundays at 4 o'clock. And they are a very small group. There's only about 150 certified people in the world, although it is definitely not difficult to play them. If you know how to play the piano, your skills will translate over pretty easily. It would only take about a half hour to get used to it, really. Main differences between playing this and playing piano is that there's no way to dampen the sound here. So whenever you hit some of the lower bells, they're going to ring for quite some time. So if you play a song with a lot of lower notes, it's going to get kind of muddled up. But you can really play almost any song.
What's that, Daddy?
That's a swimming pool.
Dad.
I don't know what you're looking at. So yeah, describe it.
The river.
Oh, yeah, that's the Riverwalk.
Yeah, that's the river.
I gotta wait.
And I was not going to we were a turtle.
Oh yeah, we would be here.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, we would go down that soon.
Yes, exactly.
Here we go.
We're going down.
Going downstairs.
This was so fun. This is so fun.
Was this fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Watch out for huge spaghetti. Let's go.
Watch out for the poop.
You jumped over. Look at the more.
How cool is this, Red?
Yeah, good. It's so awesome.
Everything is awesome.
This is so awesome.
Everything is cool when you're part of a team.
Everything's awesome.
Oh, really?
Everything's awesome. Part of a team. And you can't do.
poop. Goose poop.
Yeah.
Bird poop.
Yeah, look at that goose.
Big Joe.
I'm Jojo.
Hammer. Thor's hammer. Thor's hammer. Dong. Dong. I am not holding you. I just carried you all the way up and all the way down that thing. How cool was that, Dax? You tell me, how cool was that?
Cool.
How far could you see?
I saw that when it was to like that, flag, it looked like it was very scared for me to jump
But you're not jumping.
I know,
you are
but-
silly. But
I
it
know.
was so cool.
But
We
if
were
I-
way up at the top.
Uh-huh.
You can see like all around. I don't know if you could see it, but you can see the Willis Tower from where
And
we
you
were at.
could see the pool.
Yeah. Oh, definitely the pool. That was cool. Would you do it again?
No, because it was long.
He said no because it was too many steps. Rat, come here.
That's what.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you like about it? What was the best part of that trip?
There was those things there.
Besides that stuff, what about up in the tower? Was that cool just to see everything so high up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like we can see the houses above them on the top.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself. If you're new, consider subscribing. And if you are in Naperville, we definitely consider checking out the Carillon Bells. Take care. Bye.